There was once a great gemstone, lost in the mists of the dark and rolling forests of Württemberg. All the fairies and little folk of the world desired it, and many came from many lands, far and near, to hunt it down. The first to get there were boggarts from the marchlands near Tarala, stocky folk with little trust for one another. They came from a land of snow and ice, where the rivers freeze in winter, where wolves howl in the hills. They're folk quick to anger, armed with clubs and sticks and spears. And they went into the woods and they quarrelled bitterly, hitting each other, stabbing each other. Few came out. Few returned. And then second came the redcaps from far off Sarastia, vicious creatures from a land of thieves and brigands. The redcaps will bathe their hats in the blood of little boys and girls, and that is why they are so foul. The redcaps, each, it was decided, should search one of the trees, so as not to quarrel like the boggarts did. But then each thought that the next tree looked rather better than their own. And soon the first one was backstabbed, and the second one was led quietly into the darkness, and the third one and the fourth one, and few redcaps returned to Sarastia. Then came the pixie folk of Allowen, your native land, led by a pixie queen, all dressed in robes of leaves and flowers, the orange leaves of autumn and the bright flowers of the spring together. And the pixies loved their queen, the pixies adored their queen, and they searched, each of them one tree, and all of them stayed true. And so it is now said that there is no great gemstone lost in the mists of the forests of Württemberg, for it is hidden somewhere in this land, in Allowen, in the vales and valleys and lakes. And it is here in these rolling hills that it will be lost forever. Forever, that is, until somebody finds it once again.